Hey guys, it's Ginny Silver. Today I want to talk with those of you in the state of California because you may have unclaimed money waiting for you to claim it. This is not a scam. This information comes from a government website. You guys take the time to check and see if you have unclaimed money as soon as you finish watching this video, because I'm really interested to hear if you find that you have money sitting there waiting for you to claim. Now, in the state of California, there is what's called the Unclaimed Property Law. The Unclaimed Property Law requires businesses, financial institutions, insurance companies, and other similar institutions to provide an annual statement of unclaimed funds to the California government. Now, the state of California has a search tool that you can use in order to locate this unclaimed property that might be sitting there waiting for you. By unclaimed property, I simply mean money. This search tool is located on the California State Controller's website. This is a government website, you guys. This is not a scam. This is not a scam page. They're not going to sell your information. This is a California government website. I'm going to link it in the video description down below. Now, California's unclaimed property law requires corporations, businesses, associations, financial institutions, and insurance companies who are referred to as holders to annually report and deliver property to the California State Controller's office after there has been no activity on the account or contact with the owner for a period of time specified in the law, generally 3 years or more. In the unclaimed property search, you're going to type in your last name, your first name, and your city. Now, don't just search for your current city. Search for all cities that you have lived in previously, because these are going to be reported according to the address that the corporation, financial institution, etc. had on file for you at the time that they had this money for you. So you're going to want to search all of the previous cities that you have lived in. If I click on one of them, what will pop up is what I have owed to me for that specific reporting. This is $3.38 reported by PayPal. The next listing, you can see here that from Citibank, I have $17.89 waiting for me. Here's another one for $114.95. Now, you guys, here's where I become very snoopy about my friends and family. I searched for my friends and family to see if they had unclaimed money so that I could let them know. And I found their information as well. Because this is on public record, you can also search for your friends and family members if you want to help them locate this unclaimed property as well. No, you cannot claim it on their behalf, but you can still search for it and let them know that it's sitting there. What do you need to do if you wish to claim this unclaimed property? Well, there's a button right here that clicks Claim This Property. Now, the website states you may be eligible to electronically claim your property if you are the only owner listed in the property details screen. If your claim is processed electronically, your payment generally will be issued within 14 days. Some properties, such as cashier's checks, money orders, royalties, and safe deposit box contents, are not eligible to be claimed electronically because they require additional proof of ownership. Now, after you click claim, you're then asked to complete the claimant information. They must collect from you your relationship to the claim, your social security number or your other tax ID or FEIN number, your address, your email, your phone number. Okay, you guys, so I'm really interested to hear what you find. Go to the website that I have linked in the video description, search for your unclaimed property at all of your previous cities, and let me know if you find anything in the comments down below. Okay, you guys, I hope that was helpful. Please click like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. So if I click on one of them, what will pop up is that financial institutions and insurance companies. That's what it is. Lenders aren't going to have unclaimed money for you. They want their money back. My husband's playing the ukulele downstairs. I feel like you can probably hear it in the background of my video. He's also singing in a ridiculous old man voice. I hear it. Guess I just had to record over the musical stylings of my strange husband.